Hello everyone. So in this video we are talking about Python inheritance. So what is the meaning of inheritance? Inheritance means if you want to inherit two classes, means if you have one class and if you want to use all the variables in the second class, then you have to inherit both classes so that you can use the variables of first class in the second class. So now what we have to do, if you declare a class like that, class person def in initialize, and like that you create one class that name is person. So now if you want to create a second class that is name student, so this is the process to inherit one class in the other class. What you have to do, simply write the name of the second class, and in the bracket you have to write the name of the first class, so like that you can inherit two classes. So now you have to give the name and x.print name. So now I'm gonna write the code for this thing. So okay, so like that, student class student, we have a class of student. So now we declare second class, this is person, and inherit. Okay, sorry, I'm really sorry, student. Yeah, now I told you what is the meaning of pass. Pass means here you don't want to write any code for this class, so simply you can pass this thing. So now if you run, and now what you want here, you want to use the variable of student class in the person class. So what you can do here, you simply write like that person. Oh, sorry, my bad. Person, and what is student? Students means you have to write the name and marks. So what you can do here, you simply copy these things and print here. So like that you can initialize the second class that it inherit the first class of student. Okay, so now if you want to use the function, use the method of the first class, then what you have to do here, simply call the print function and it will execute. Yeah, it is working. Ram got 88 marks in the exam. So now if you want to, means if you want to add the roll number also, then what is the roll number of the RAM? So now if you don't want to change the entire code of the first class, then what you can do here, you simply create a second class and pass the roll number in this class, and you can write a separate method for this thing. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm simply gonna print here one more thing, and that is marks. So now what you can do here, you have to initialize this thing in this function. So what you can do here, class person, how to initialize. Okay, student. So now we have to, okay, so, sorry, now we have to initialize the class. So what is the method for initialize? In initialize. Okay, it is working. Okay, oh sorry, I forgot, my bad, I forgot to write def function. Oh sorry. So now first of all create a def function, sorry, initialize function, not def. And what yeah, so what now what we have to do here, we have to simply self. Okay, then we have to write name. Okay, then we have to write marks. Okay, then we have to write the roll number. Okay, so this is the three things that we have to write in this function. So now yeah, now if you want to call here, if you want to call the first function, means the student class, then what you have to do here, you have to simply initialize the student class also here. Student dot initialize, I think here name and marks, like that you can write this thing. Oh sorry, I forgot to write here self. Okay, self name marks, like that you can use this function. So now if you run it, yeah, invalid syntax. Okay, my bad, I'm sorry for this. Okay, so this is our person class, then we initialize the def function, and student dot, yeah, like that we did all the things. Now what you want to do here, this is the first thing that this is the first thing for initialize the first means the first class. There is a inbuilt function also. This is super, and here now you don't have to write self, and it is applicable for the all the function. Here you don't have to write the name. So like that you can initialize, means you can initialize the first class. So now if you yeah, now here we have to declare the roll number also is equal to roll. Now if you want to print this thing, then what you can do here, you can simply write print ram, sorry, yeah, means name got that marks in the exam, and his his roll, sorry, number is this. So now here we have to write format, and first thing, what is the first thing, self dot name. Second thing, self dot marks. Third thing, what is the third thing here, self dot roll number. Okay, so like that you can write. Now you run this function. Yeah, now here you have to declare first of all person class, and here name, like that ram, he got 88 number and roll number 20, sorry 12. So like that you can do all the things. If you want to print the first method in the first class, then you can write like this, simply call the function. Okay, so this is it for this video. Thank you.